Welcome to GITEX 2018. My name's David Dungay. We're reporting here live from the Avaya stand. I have with me Ahmed from Avaya. Ahmed, tell us who are you and where you're from?
Hi David. I'm originally from Egypt, but I'm living here in Dubai for the last 6 years. I actually lead the Advanced Solution Architect in Avaya International Market.
Brilliant, thank you. And you've got some very interesting applications hitting the market this week. In particular, I wanted to pick up on one, the social network for chatbots. Tell us a little bit about that, please.
Yeah, so this is a socialized chatbot solution. The idea came from the fact that people have been building chatbots all over the place, and chatbots are being built in a specific domain. You get a chatbot, you train the bot learns very well about your business, but if the people interacting with your bot, they try to ask a couple of questions outside your bot domain, the bot will immediately lose confidence and will try either to drop the conversation or route them somewhere else. So this network allows the bots to interact together, to learn from each other, try to find the right answer for the customers, and overcoming this short conversation with the bots. So the trend is to make your bot learn faster, overcome the need that you always have to prepare all this data set, information for every sector and every domain. You can focus on your domain and let the bot just navigate through a friend-unfriend relation, similar to what we do today as people, to find the right bot that can answer his question and help him.
So you're speeding up that learning process with machine learning, effectively?
Yes, exactly. It's speeding up the machine learning. It's also providing the customer the answers very fast, and it's protecting all the data from different commodities behind their bots. So it's not like I'm exposing your data to an external organization or bot to learn from. Actually, your bot is the one controlling the answers and the information that you are sharing with other bots.
Wow, okay. And you're doing quite a lot of work with the emergency service as well. I see there's a police car on the front of the Avaya stand. Tell us a little bit about that and how that links into the 5G story.
Yeah. So, you know, the 5G next radio, or the new radio, is going to allow us with a bigger, easier communication and bandwidth, where video communication is going to become more enhanced, 4K, even 8K. So what we are doing here is we are going to enable video interaction within the as you have seen here, the Dubai police. So people with the sign language, they can actually interact through someone who is centrally located, and he can be translating between sign language and the normal speaking people, and then they can just interact together through the voice inside the car. So we are bringing the control center from somewhere location inside the cars, so that the police can have more interaction in emergency services with the people who are actually in need of help.
It's making the police services be more efficient, and so they can spend more time doing what they do best, helping people.
Exactly. Response time has been improved a lot. They have now prediction what they're going to face when they arrive on site. Even they can take a decision ahead of time when they arrive, and they can call in ambulance, they can call in other support, so that they don't really have to go waste a few minutes just to discover what has been going on this police report.
Brilliant. And there was one thing that caught my eye earlier. It was called the Heart of the City. Can you tell us a little bit about that and what that's doing for the people in Dubai?
So this is a use case where we are bringing IoT wearables in the healthcare. Where actually people who have been dismissed from the hospitals after specific heart operations, they are wearing I would say, heart monitor wearables, like what we see today with Apple Watch 4 and other wearables, and we are monitoring their heart rate, blood pressure, pulse and everything, and there is a threshold for these measures, and we do some predictive analytics to understand if this customer might be facing some kind of a heart danger or heart attack, and based on that, this data is being shared every 2-3 minutes with our NOC center. If the person is facing, I would say, uncertainty about some performance, heart performance, immediately we have a flow of communication and notification to try to trigger the right flow to either dispatch the ambulance or call his relative, or try to even SMS and call him, trying to ask him, are you okay? We see that your heart rate is raising up. Is everything okay? Do you need any help? And instead of trying for someone to call us or press an SOS button, we are actually more interactively monitoring them and taking actions toward them.
You're being proactive rather than reactive, and you're really making that healthcare system more efficient.
It's efficiency. Proactively is like try to tell the people that being dismissed from the hospital doesn't mean that you are disconnected from your case. We're still there, we still monitor you without interfering with your privacy. We just will be there to help you when it's possible using the technology that we have today in place.
Ahmed, thank you very much for joining me. And don't forget, you can follow all the action on Twitter, LinkedIn and the other social media channels as well. Don't forget to follow the Ideas to Inspire hashtag. Thank you very much.